trailer here system. Now what happens is we've got 3 of these filters, one for each segment, one for there, one for in there and one for in there. Now as you fill up throughout the day, what you seem to do is you're using the water itself and cleaning the bins out. So this part here in this segment here is where the dirty water stays all the time. This then is meant to filter the dirty from the clean and make it so the clean water goes into this other side at the back side. You can imagine having 3 of these in. Now what we're doing is filling this up with water, but what you'll find is you'll see water running through all the way through. So this is meant to stay in there clean all the time at this side. So as you're using it, and what's happening is there's water passing by at the bottom. Just tack welded. Now these are all the same. Absolutely crazy design, pathetic design to be quite honest. So like I say, what we're doing is filling that side up there and the water's passing back in and draining out of this side. So all these lots are all leaking all the way through. You'll see them spot welded. It's not holding its water. The next one is also, we've got this part here. So this is the dump return back. So when you let go of the trigger, the water dumps back in here. Now also what happens is, you'll see this hole fires straight towards this one, and it also makes that go slack and damages it and loosens it all. So that also needs altering. But really by rights, you should be taking the dump return into another one. So it's not taking the water directly. The water's being sucked in from the pump at the bottom, and that feeds the pump at the bottom. What we're going to be doing is also altering it so it goes out at that point there. So your dump return is coming into this one, you suck it to your pump, it's being taken from that one. Like I say, what we're going to go and do is get this sorted and resorted and fabricated.